Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Drum Point, local and long distance. Movers near me. Long distance moving includes shifting to a new place more than 100 miles away from your current location. It will include the movement of belongings like furniture, kitchen essentials, and more. 3 Movers provides long-distance moving services at reasonable prices. You can connect with our team and share your requirements. The experts will help you plan your shift to make it as smooth as possible. You will receive an estimate of moving expenses before you head to make an informed decision. Local moving generally covers any distance less than 100 miles. However, you may have to change a state within 100 miles. Therefore, you need a trusted and professional mover company to transport your belongings safely. 3 Movers have a license to move across states and follow each state's regulations for movers and packers. Even at a short distance of 40 miles, the regulations can change. Therefore, you might end up waiting for your belongings for longer than you assume if you try to move them yourself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Drum Point Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.